Making kimchi with tomatoes might sound a little unusual, but once you try it, you will see why this combination works so well. It's fresh, crisp, and perfect for summer when you want something light and refreshing. The best part is that it's incredibly easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. Today, all you need are tomatoes, onion, and garlic chives or scallions. Cut the tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. If you are using small tomatoes, cutting each one into about 8 pieces works well. I recommend using firm tomatoes rather than very ripe ones. They hold their shape better and have much nicer texture. Cut the onion into small pieces. Cut the garlic chives into short pieces as well. If you don't have garlic chives, green onions work just as well. Place the tomatoes, onion, and garlic chives into a large bowl. Now let's make the seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Gently toss everything together so the tomatoes keep their shape. This simple seasoning brings out the tomatoes' natural sweetness while adding a rich, savory flavor. It's fresh, crisp, and so good. If you are serving it right away, a light drizzle of sesame oil is a wonderful addition. Leave it at room temperature for about half a day, then refrigerate it. This is what it looks like after 1 day. The tomatoes are still fresh and the seasoning has blended nicely. For the best quality, enjoy it within 2 weeks. Sweet, refreshing, and just a little spicy, this easy Korean tomato kimchi is perfect for summer. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.